Giving your body what it needs and the counterparts to absorb those minerals and enzymes is key. Giving your body the time to heal and detox is key. Those two things in conjunction are a process to get to. And along the journey, it's important to give yourself the leeway, not feel guilty about emotional eating, because taking care of our emotional side is also part of it. But the conscious awareness that, hey, I'm going to do better next time. I'm going to just give my body what it needs and not this, whatever it is in the diet or whatever it is externally that may give us temporary happiness, but will long-term create some sort of blockage, dam, like in the river, dam the river, slow down your roll. We take those dams out bit by bit and we replace it with the stuff that's going to be essential for our body.